Now I am pleased to invite Shay Har-Noy, CEO of Edgybees, a company that fuses moving images from video and satellites with on-the-ground data, enabling precise, real-time decisions. Shay. So Shay, I understand that Edgybees was originally focused on the drone market, but is now expanding into the space industry. Can you tell me more about that?
Yes, and what I'm holding here in my hand is an actual 3U satellite, not a model. This is a real satellite. We've seen amazing innovation in the small sat sector with over $250 billion invested in the sector and over 10 companies going public, creating liquidity for about $15 billion of market cap. We want to make the data coming down from space useful. So at Edgybees, we're leveraging the data, the imagery data coming down from space, and helping these companies realize their potential by allowing the data to be useful, reliable, and timely.
And artificial intelligence is at the core of your solution. Can you tell me more about that?
That's right. We're a bunch of AI nerds. So we use artificial intelligence in order to post-process data so that the satellites can stay simple, cheap, and effective, and we do the processing on the ground with software and AI. With hundreds of terabytes of data coming down from space, coming down from aircraft, AI is the only way that you can actually process, analyze, and extract value from it. And we prepare the data for the world's cutting-edge AI processing. So we use it, and we enable it.
Thank you so much, Shay.
Thanks for having me.